Human Development Report.
So, hello everyone, children. Today I'm going to teach you the 20 most important multiple choice questions from Class 10 Social Science. These questions are confirmed to be asked in examinations, so prepare thoroughly for each question, and if you know the answer, please let me know in the comments. There are 20 questions, so you can comment and tell me how many you answered correctly. This will help you gauge your preparation. Let's get started. So, the first question asked here is, who made the famous remark, when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches a cold? Who said that when France sneezes, all of Europe catches a cold? Who said that? Do you remember? What would be the correct answer? Option number C was said by Dwight Metternich. So, option number C would have been the correct answer. The second question is, according to the World Development Report 2019. According to the World Development Report, a country is considered rich when its per capita income is more than. So, a country is considered rich if its per capita income is more than which of the following? So, if the per capita income is more than $49,300 per annum, then that country will fall into the category of rich country. This is according to the World Development Report. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question number 3 is, which type of resources is solar energy? This solar energy, what type of resource is it? Is it exhaustible, non-exhaustible, a biotic resource, or a soil resource? So, the correct answer to this would be option number B, non-exhaustible resource. We can also call it a non-renewable resource. Question number 4 is given next. Arrange the following events in chronological order. And this type of question also comes up in the exam. A chronologically ordered question is sure to be 1 or 2. So, first, you need to arrange which event happened first and then choose the correct option. For this, you need to remember the dates. If you need any important dates in our history book, please let me know in the comments. I'll explain the entire date in detail in a video and let you practice questions like this and other chronologically ordered questions. So, first, if we talk about the formation of the Zweiveren, when did it happen? In 1834. When did the Napoleonic Code come into effect? In 1804. Then, when did the Congress of Vienna happen? In 1815, and then the French Revolution, which happened in 1789. So, what was the first event in this? In 1789. That means the French Revolution would be the first. Number D means it should be first. What event comes after this? Here comes the Napoleonic Code. That means B will happen again. Then after this, the French, the Congress of Vienna in 1815. So then there will be C, and then there will be A, so there must be this order somewhere. DBCA, so look at this order. Option number A has D, B, C, A, so the correct answer will be this. Okay? Let's move on. Question number 5 is, who became the King of United Italy in 1861? Who was made King of United Italy in 1861? Can you remember? Who was made king? Giuseppe Mazzini was made king, Victor Emmanuel II, Count Cabo, or Giuseppe Garibaldi. So the correct answer will be option number B. Victor Emmanuel II was made king. Okay? Question number 6. The first International Earth Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. When did this happen? Can you remember the date? It happened in June 1992, right? June 1992. Question number 7 is, the Human Development Report is published by whom? UNDP, UNO, UNESCO, or the World Bank? So the answer to this would be option number A. The Human Development Report is published by UNDP, right? What is the full form of UNDP? Its full form is United Nations Development Program.
How I edited these photos from this.
The full form of UNDP. Its full form is United Nations Development Program. Let's move on. Let's understand question number 8. It is given that this language is dominantly spoken in Belgium. Which language was spoken the most in Belgium? Or maybe the question could also ask what percentage of it was spoken. So the correct answer would be option number A, which means 59% of the population spoke Dutch. Okay, right? Let's move on. Question number 9 is given. Who is the author of the book Hind Swaraj? Who was the author of this book Hind Swaraj? B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, or Jawaharlal Nehru? So the correct answer would be option number C, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay? Next up is question number 10. Which of the following is a biosphere reserve in India? Now, which of these is a biosphere reserve in India? Which is a biosphere reserve? Corbett, Nilgiri, Sundarbans, or Gir? So the correct answer would be option number B, Nilgiri. Biosphere reserve in India. Which is a biosphere reserve? Corbett, Nilgiri, Sundarbans, or Gir? So the correct answer would be option number B, Nilgiri. Okay? Question number 11 is, which of the following resources is a non-renewable energy resource? Which of these resources is a non-renewable energy resource? You understand non-renewable is non-renewable, right? That which cannot be renewed quickly. Which one is it? Solar radiation. So, it can be renewable. Wind energy can also be. This cannot be. Since the answer is given above, it is obvious that the correct answer will be option number C, crude oil. Question number 12 is, Simon Commission arrived in India. When did the Simon Commission arrive in India? When did it arrive? Can you remember? In 1928. This will be the correct answer. Let's move on. Question number 13 is, who painted the first image of Bharat Mata? Who painted the first image of Bharat Mata? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Motilal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, or Rabindranath Tagore? So the correct answer will be option number A, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay? The first image of Bharat Mata was painted by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question number 14 is, the Buxar Tiger Reserve is situated in which of the following states? In which state is the Buxar Tiger Reserve located? In which state is the Buxar Tiger Reserve located? In West Bengal, Rajasthan, Goa, or Madhya Pradesh? So its correct answer will be option number A, West Bengal. Question number 15 is, Diamond Sutra, which was one of the oldest or earliest printed books, so it was printed in this country. It is asked in which country was this Diamond Sutra printed? So here are the options given. Option number A is India, option B is China, option C is Germany, or option D is Italy. So its correct answer will be option number B, China. Question number 16 is, which of the following activities does not belong to the primary sector? Which of these activities does not belong to the primary sector? Name the one that does. For example, fishing is a primary sector. Mining is also a primary sector. Forestry also falls within the primary sector. However, banking falls within the tertiary sector. So, the correct answer would be option number C. Let's move on. Let's consider question number 17. Given, who was the president of the Muslim League in 1930? Who among the following was the president of the Muslim League in 1930? Who was the president of the Muslim League in 1930? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Maulana Azad, or Sir Muhammad Iqbal? The correct answer would be option number D, Sir Iqbal Muhammad Iqbal. Question number 18 is, which of the following occupations cannot be included in the primary sector? Or a similar question, which of these occupations is not included in the primary sector? Agriculture is included in the primary sector, fishing is also included in the primary sector, and mining is also included in the primary sector, but money lending is not included in this, right? The correct answer for this would be option number D. Question number 19 is, which of the following subjects is included in the concurrent list? Which of these subjects is included in the concurrent list? Which of these subjects is included in the concurrent list? Marriage and divorce, banking, criminal law, or citizenship? So the answer for this would be option number A, marriage and divorce. Last here is question number 20. Which crop is grown in the Z season? Which of these crops is grown in the Z season? Which crop is grown in the Z season? Sugarcane, watermelon, wheat, or barley? So the correct answer for this would be option number B, watermelon. So, I've had you complete 20 such questions, which I expect will appear in the exam. For the rest, I'll have you complete separate MCQs from the 4 books: history, civics, geography, and economics. Do them. Don't miss them at all. Questions will definitely come from these. But if you miss one set, you'll end up with a question from that set in all your other sets. So, don't miss it at all. And yes, if you need to watch the map video to see which map questions and answers will appear, I've already provided that. I'll provide the link to the map video in the description. You can go and watch it. Alternatively, I've also uploaded a video of the complete social science paper. the type of questions that will appear in your board exams on March 7th. You'll find the link to that video in the description. You can watch that as well. So that's all for today. Best of luck with the rest of your exams. Thank you. Bye.